Dearest Hobsons, as you round up your 75th anniversary celebrations, here's a special wish on behalf of all Apsunians. May your next 75 continue to produce women of excellence and of substance who would continue to impact globally. May our strong bonds continue to keep us inseparable. Thank you for bringing us along to enjoy these beautiful celebrations and memorable occasions this past year with you. You'll always be our forever girls, and know that Apsunians will always be here for you any day, anytime. Factor non-verbal. Actions, not words.